Hey guys, today we will be going over some of the basics of copywriting templates. Creating fresh content every single day can be really tough, but with the help of AI, you can create original content that consistently strikes a chord with your audience. Let's start with some of the basics. What is a copywriting template? Go ahead and click this Explore button to see all of our different templates. These templates are like blueprints for content, tried and tested online for SEO success. Here, you can browse from our different categories of templates, whether you're writing digital content for landing pages, sales copy, social media content, and even blogs. Simplified has a template for every single one of your business needs. Now you're wondering, how can these templates help me? Copywriting templates are wonderful assistants for freelance copywriters, small business owners, social media managers, bloggers, digital marketers, or even online advertisers. With so much on your plate, Simplified is the perfect tool that saves you time and helps you find new ideas. Let's say I want to send a cold email to a prospective client. Under the Email tab, I'm going to use this template here. I can select from many different languages, type in my product name, and then briefly describe my services. Once you've filled out the information, go ahead and click Generate. And within seconds, the AI has created entire email options for me with perfect spelling and accurate grammar. By using this button in the upper right-hand corner, I can open an editor option, which brings me to this document space. Here I have my generated results on the right-hand side, and I can add one of these results by clicking this plus button here. This document format is great and offers even more features for copywriting. You can highlight certain portions of your text and continue the text, rephrase the text, expand, write an entire section, and even do a plagiarism check. These tools are especially helpful when writing long-form content like blogs and articles. These documents are saved automatically and can be accessed and shared with your entire team. You can even upload media using this icon here, share your document, and even export it as a doc or PDF straight to your device. Simplified's AI writes unique content specific to your business. To use the AI and more, sign up on simplified.com. See you there.